Starting a new business can be really scary. If you're planning on starting a tattoo removal business, this video is just for you. We'll be going through every major aspect of the business that you need to consider before starting your new venture. And by the time you're done with this video, you're going to feel 10 times more confident and prepared. So let's begin. Tattoo removal is a booming industry. According to a survey conducted by Dahlia Research, 46% of people have a tattoo, half of them having 4 or more tattoos. Since tattoos are only growing in popularity and numbers, tattoo regret has become a very real thing. There are several reasons why people want to get rid of their old tattoos. This could be because of poor work by the artist, for a more formal look, or for personal reasons. Whatever it is, they are willing to spend as much as needed. According to the Tattoo Removal Market Report, in 2016, we spent $457.5 million on tattoo removals, and this is projected to grow at a rate of 16.2% in the period 2020 to 2023. Your business can be a part of this growth. The first important thing that you need to consider are your tattoo removal equipment choices. The business will revolve around the quality and choice of the treatment process and the equipment that is picked. There are 3 major options that you can choose from. Tattoo removal creams, which are yet to be approved by the FDA, have flooded the market in recent times. They have, however, proved to be ineffective, as these creams fail to guarantee full removal of tattoos and at best leave a distorted version. The chemicals in these products can also have serious side effects like rashes, redness, inflammation, burning, and other potentially life-threatening allergic reactions. Our next option is surgical removal, under which we have 2 possible ways of treatment. Surgical excision is a medical treatment where the tattooed skin is cut out with a scalpel and the remaining skin is stitched back together. Although quick and effective, it tends to leave a permanent scar and does not work well when it comes to large tattoos. Dermabrasion is another type of medical procedure for tattoo removal. Here, a sanding device is used to remove the upper layers of the skin to allow the tattooing to leach out. The efficacy of this treatment is questionable and is not generally the best bet. Laser tattoo removal has emerged as the go-to treatment. It is effective and comparatively safe, being a non-invasive skin treatment. During the procedure, the laser penetrates the skin and breaks the tattoo ink into smaller particles, which is then naturally filtered out by the body's immune system. It is very important to make an informed decision when it comes to purchasing a laser tattoo removal machine. Different aspects that need to be considered include wavelengths. Different colors of tattoo ink require lasers of different wavelengths. While black is the most commonly used ink and is also the easiest to break down, light blue and green are few of the more stubborn colors. Another aspect is peak power. A laser tattoo removal machine is the product of energy and pulse width. The more the peak power, the better will be the ability of the machine to break dark ink, and better will be the quality of results. Ease of use. Tattoo removal machines are sophisticated devices. It is important to make sure that its interface is precise, clear, and easy to use. Its warm-up time is also an important consideration. Maintenance and support. Buying a laser tattoo removal machine is a long-term decision. The quality of technical support, training program, warranty program, and response time are indispensable factors in choosing the right company. Purchasing a second-hand laser from a third party often does not come with service plans. In such cases, recertification fees could be as high as $25,000. For quality and safety guarantee, it is important to ensure that the equipment has also been approved by the FDA. There are 2 types of laser tattoo removal machines: Q-switch lasers and pico lasers. Q-switch laser tattoo removal has been the ideal choice of technology for several decades now. It generates laser beams that travels in nanoseconds. There are 3 types of Q-switch lasers: Ruby, Alexandrite, and Nd:YAG. Q-switch Nd:YAG laser is the most common machine and is suitable for almost all skin types. Recently, picosecond laser tattoo removal machines have emerged as a strong contender to the Q-switched ones. At the speed of picoseconds, this technology is faster. It breaks down the tattoo ink into particles as small as dust, making it an easy removal process. The average price for a new laser tattoo removal machine can be anywhere between $80,000 to $150,000. And some of the most reputable laser tattoo removal machine suppliers are Astanza, Cutera, and Neutronic, to name a few. Section 179 of the IRS code is a tax break aimed at encouraging investments in small businesses. This tax incentive can be used by purchasing or leasing capital, in your case a tattoo removal machine, in the same calendar year. By doing so, the business may be eligible to deduct the full purchase price from gross income. For the year 2020, the deduction limit has been set at $1,040,000 with an investment limit of $2,590,000. Another vital matter of business is the clinic space. The ideal space for a tattoo removal clinic consists of a waiting room, a treatment room, and an office. This may not need more than 800 square feet of space. The setup of the treatment room is also very vital for safety reasons. It must be a closed room with proper airflow and regulated room temperature, given that high temperatures can cause damage to the equipment. An inline air conditioner is also recommended. A room with no windows is preferable, or you can use curtains to block out sunlight during the treatment process. Make sure there are no lofty walls. The laser light can travel through such walls and cause eye damage. As an infection control measure, the treatment room must not have a carpet. This is because carpet fibers can settle on the laser optics and cause damage to the equipment. Also, don't forget to put up appropriate safety signs on the door. Tattoo removal services can also be provided in a mobile clinic. A mobile clinic significantly brings down startup costs. This can be done by transforming a modest vehicle such as a high-roof van, a minibus, or a retired ambulance into a mobile treatment room. Necessary precautions need to be taken. This includes and is not limited to a secure setup of the laser machine, covered windows for safe treatment process, airflow regulation, sterilization of the interior, and electrical hookups such as a generator and a sturdy arrangement. It is important to check state board regulations with respect to mobile tattoo removal programs. Also, laser companies may vary on their warranty programs for mobile services. Having a good marketing and business plan is also very important for your business. As most people explore and compare services online, having a digital presence is an important first step. Creating a user-friendly, attractive, and an up-to-date website is a good place to start. Posting high-quality blogs on a regular basis on the website can help increase SEO, which can help rank your business better on Google. Having an active presence on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, building a network on LinkedIn, as well as hosting relevant webinars can greatly contribute to building your brand identity. Getting the business listed on sites like Google Local and Yahoo Local is a great way to pop up in searches of nearby services, making sure that local customers get a good look at you. Reviews matter. Having an account on Yelp and Trustpilot adorned with good customer reviews goes a long way in gaining the trust of prospective customers. And lastly, partnering with tattoo shops is a great way to market. The world's most tattooed man has spent approximately 1,000 hours with tattoo artists. As individuals keep going back to tattoo shops to get some new ink, they're likely to discuss a tattoo they no longer want. Partnering up with tattoo businesses will ensure that these potential customers are directed to your tattoo removal shop. This can significantly expand client base and ensure a regular flow of new customers. One of the most crucial and vital requirements for running this business is to acquire the necessary licenses and insurance cover and meet state regulations. There are certain licenses and permits that must be acquired before starting a tattoo removal business, such as sales tax license, salon license, etc. Given the unique set of risks involved in running a business and responsibility towards the staff, the customers, the clinic, and yourself, it is preferable to choose a flexible policy when it comes to insurance cover. This may include, but may not be restricted to, treatment risk coverage, public liability insurance, general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, etc. choose what is right for the business structure, and bring them under a single umbrella policy. Lastly, regulations concerning who can own and who can operate a tattoo removal laser device varies from state to state. In many states, tattoo removal is regarded as a medical procedure and requires a medical professional such as a registered nurse or a physician to perform the laser surgery. For example, some states like Ohio and New Jersey only allow physicians to operate a laser. Under such circumstances, running a laser tattoo removal clinic without a physician to operate the laser would be a punishable offense. In other states, establishing a medical director relationship may be sufficient and is considered the standard requirement. Under this, a laser technician, even those coming from non-medical backgrounds, can operate a laser. Some state medical boards have vague laws or even no specific laws related to tattoo removal. Given the various legal requirements, legal counsel is advised. This brings us to the next phase of business planning, training and hiring. The clinic can function smoothly with a small number of employees, just an office manager and a laser technician. While some states require a medical practitioner to perform laser surgeries, a majority of states allow certified individuals to perform the procedure. The tattoo removal business may hire a laser technician with appropriate professional certification, some of which are Advanced Laser Tattoo Removal Certification, Laser Safety Officer Certification, and Certified Laser Specialist Certification. The average salary of a laser technician is $17.26 per hour. There are some states, however, where it is not mandatory to hire a medical professional to operate a laser. In such cases, it is a legal obligation to affiliate the clinic with a medical director. This is an off-site or an on-site licensed physician who is officially responsible for supervising laser operations at the business. You can also become a laser technician by enrolling in a high-quality and comprehensive training program run by any recognized institute, like the National Laser Institute, that might be as short as 2 weeks. This brings us to the final question. How much money can you really make with laser tattoo removal? The average cost of a tattoo removal treatment ranges from $200 to $500. Generally, appointments do not take longer than 15 minutes. This means that the business can earn at least $800 in an hour. Each patient may also require several sessions before the tattoo completely fades away. The total revenue generated from each patient could be anything from $1,000 to $10,000. Tattoo removal businesses are opening all over the country as more and more consumers look to modify tattoos. This is a great time to open up a tattoo removal business in your area.